Today we're going to go for our trade recap for Tuesday, June 2nd. So today I actually caught a trade in the overnight session, which is very rare for me, but I saw a setup forming last night and it just looked super clear draw on liquidity in my opinion. But pretty much going into the night, I could see that we had this hidden weekly cycle that had just formed right here. So we can see NQ has failed to close under the previous day's lowest close, right? But on MES, you can see on the 1 hour we actually closed way under there, right? Or under this close. So for me, that's our hidden weekly, right? So we have our high time frame SSMT. So then after that, all I wanted to see was the low time frame, right? So you got on a 15-minute, but YM failed to do so. Pull up YM. You can see we failed to do that on YM, right? YM failed to take that low, right? So at this point now, all I'm doing is looking for an entry. We end up getting that. I started looking at the chart like about right here. I saw that we got this 5-minute inverse. I decided, okay, I'm gonna wait a little bit longer because it is overnight, so I want to see just some extra confirmation. Closed again higher, came down, traded into this 5-minute gap, and then we came and respected it. So it was at this point that I was looking for my entry, right? Ended up entering right about here on the top of this candle. Placing my stop on that recent low. Very low risk on the trade. And we can see we tapped into this unfilled 1 hour, right? I wanted to be very careful about it. So after we tap into this 1 hour gap, I ended up moving my stop to break even and just letting it run. So for my draw on liquidity, obviously if this weekly cycle is going to hold, then I expect this to be low of the day, right? So I just went to like the max I could win, which is about $750 across each account. And we can see just overnight ended up delivering beautifully. Woke up to about $2,300 win. Overall, I think it's a very good trade, especially when you have such a high time frame SSMT and then a clear draw on liquidity, right? Obviously, I really could have held this all the way to the all-time highs. And if I was like on a live account or funded with no consistency, I would have done that and ultimately delivered right to my TP.